I see you. I see you, Benjamin. I see you. You're supposed to be sleeping. You've turned all the way around and now you're kicking your friends.
You started making the products.
Yes. You're a good boy.
That's not very sanitary, maybe, for the food. I'm just curious.
No, it was
Hi.
oil and bacon.
Hi, good boy. Should we have an earthquake? Ready? Ready? Earthquake! Earthquake! Get your fist out of your mouth. Get your little fist out of your mouth.
All of our products are. And it's nice.